In this article, we first deal about resistors. As resistors in series and parallel are connected. And several resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected in series. The equivalent resistance R equivalent to the sum of the individual resistors. The same current flows through all the resistors. Series connects. And several resistors are connected in parallel. The reciprocal of equivalent resistance R equivalent is the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistance. All resistors in a parallel connection have the same potential difference between the terminals as shown in the figure in series and parallel. R equivalent to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dash dash. In series, R equivalent to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus dash dash. Resistors in parallel. Now, Kirchhoff's rules. Kirchhoff's junction rule is based on conservation of charge. It states that the algebraic sum of all the currents into any junction must be zero. It means at any junction sum of all the current must be zero. Kirchhoff's loop rule is based on conservation of energy and the conservative nature of electrostatic fields. It states that the algebraic sum of potential difference around any loop must be zero. Summation I is equal to 0, that is junction rule, and summation B is equal to 0, that is loop rule. As shown in the figure, at junction point, sum of all the current must be 0, and in the loop condition, sum of all the voltage in any loop must be 0. Now, electrical measuring instrument. In a D'Arson galvanometer, the deflection is proportional to the current in the coil. For larger current range, a shunt resistor is added, so some of the current bypasses the meter coil. Such an instrument is called an ammeter. If the coil and any additional series resistance included obey Ohm's law, the meter can also be calibrated to read potential difference or voltage. The instrument is then called voltmeter. A good ammeter has very low resistance. A good voltmeter has very high resistance. As shown in the figure, in ammeter, the shunt resistance is connected parallel with the resistance of ammeter, and so ammeter is connected in the circuit in series, and in voltmeter the shunt resistance is connected with the internal resistance of the voltmeter in series. So the voltmeter is connected in the circuit